Hello and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I am Jessica, the knitting designer and coach behind Snickerdoodle Knits. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a brioche knit, which is abbreviated as BRK, and is why some people will call it a bark stitch. So a brioche knit, of course, is used in brioche. It's used in both one color brioche and two color brioche, and it's one of the, like I'd say there's really two foundational stitches of one color brioche, and that is the brioche knit and the slip-on yarn over. So here, let's talk about the brioche knit. Really, the brioche knit is just knitting two stitches together. So here I'm working pattern. This is my slip-on yarn over. I have another video for that if you need help with that. I'll go ahead and put it up in the video up here in the corner. But brioche knit, all we're doing, the only reason it has a special name is because we have this yarn over with a slip stitch, which is a special stitch in brioche. And so we call it a brioche knit when we knit those two stitches together. And that's all it is just knitting those two stitches together. So it's very specific, knit two together, in that you're knitting a slip stitch and a yarn over together. But that's all it is. And I don't want to say that's all it is, like, to make it sound, I don't know, arrogant or something. But when I realized that that's what it was, brioche felt so much easier. Just realizing that these stitches are things that I already know. And so all this is really is a knit two together. It's knitting the slip stitch and the yarn over together to create the brioche knit. All right, so that is the brioche knit. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you were struggling with the brioche knit, I hope that this really cleared things up, makes you feel really confident in your brioche knitting, because I think it's a lot simpler than we think it is when we start reading a pattern and it looks so complex. So if you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel for more content like this. I have video tutorials for each of the techniques that I use in my patterns, as well as design overview videos that talk about each of my designs before you ever purchase it. So I look forward to seeing you around, and happy knitting!